Since I've given you guys an update on the GTI, it's been sitting and sitting and sitting while I save up money. But I did get my grandma to agree to let me use her garage so I can do the timing chain and clutch. So that's great news. And then in the next few days, I'm going to go over to my grandma's and start taking her apart. Just want to give you an update on how she's looking. Still got to get one of these replaced, rewrap the steering wheel, fix the seat, place the shift knob, get the radio installed, order a glove box latch, and everything else is pretty much good. But I did order the easy fix for something. It doesn't seem to have any broken pieces. I'm guessing the old person was just rough and twisted it too hard. I don't know, but let's see if the new one goes on, because there's just 3 clips. So let's see. Wow, that was easy. Man, I wish everything was that easy of a fix. Beautiful. Oh yeah, baby. Got me a nice little wasp nest chilling in here. Other side installed before I get stung. Let's see. Bam! Good to go. Get the fuck out of here. No, actually, I'm gonna have to get rid of this motherfucker. It's been sitting for a few months. There's another one in the exact same spot on the other side. I know it's the yellow one all, but this ain't the killer bee car, yo. Get out of here. Destroyed their nests. Now I just gotta wait for them to get the fuck out of here. Alright, we got the new coil pack. Just gotta put her in. Alright. She is brand new. Ready to go. Voila. It should, yeah, in the front.
Where?
In between one of the fog lights, or one of these vents pops out. I think it's in there. You have to screw it in though.
Yeah. Do you have it?
Mm-hmm. I do.
Yeah, let's get that.
It's in the front. I'm not sure which
Because
side.
I don't see any holes at the bottom.
Really?
Yeah.
I don't know which side it goes on.
Oh, that's cool.
I've never done it. So
It's all.
yeah, there's just little clips for the covers. I can do it if you don't want to break them.
That's right here.
Yeah, I'll take that.
Oh, I still don't see it.
You don't see it?
It's not there.
It's probably on the other side.
Alright, I'll tell you. I don't see it.
I know it goes in there somewhere.
Yeah, either here or.
GTI to our new home. jump up in.
Yeah. Hold the brakes and everything until once I take off the change, I'll give you the signal.
Oh, so hold the brakes.
Yeah, hold the
foot
brakes.
pedal.
Exactly.
All right. Keep dealing with tow trucks. We got her down though. Had to have the foot on the brake, hold the e-brake, and have it in first gear while he released the hydraulic crane, and then we let her roll back. Now we just gotta line her up and push her in. She's in. Whew. It is hot in Texas. Man, I wish I had a little more space, but it is what it is. Look at that. That's just from pushing it in and out.